Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So first things first, I made a massive mistake, and something which you are going to make. Don't get me wrong, nobody's perfect, including me. But I did not pay attention to this bull channel, and we were in this bull channel from early November, and basically we broke out of it here in December, and I had aspirations and targets that are a lot higher up based on some bigger breakouts. But at the moment, this bull channel needs to be, it either needs to be successful, the breakout to the upside, or it needs to come back into channel and find support, or alternatively this is a fake out and the channel breaks the downsides. So there are basically a couple of scenarios at the moment, and it's kind of 50-50 at the moment, but you can see how prices come back to the channel as well. So the important thing is, by paying attention to that gives me pretty decent areas to buy off. When I come to the 3 hour, you'll see a little bit more clarity. See how the buyers came in on the break of the channel. Look at that one there. So that one missed it. Okay, and then we pulled back yesterday and came right back onto it, and the buyers stepped in immediately and bought. So anyway, so my levels yesterday were not altogether correct because I was missing a big piece of the puzzle. Anyway, so, and that resulted in me getting stopped out as well of a trade. So the next thing to do at the moment is keep my eyes open and pay attention to what is actually going on right now, and I just want to fine tune everything. So first things first is this level here of 38.12. You can see we did close below it because we wanted to get to the channel, which was at 37.84. Wouldn't be too surprised to see us come and test the channel again at 38.12 and test this area as well. So this is still an opportunity to buy into, but my oscillators are telling me to be very careful at the moment because we should be rejecting a level to the upside. And watch out for that video. That video is coming shortly, and maybe if I get a lot of comments and likes, I may speed up the process a bit, and we'll get it out earlier than in the next 2 weeks. So drop me a comment, let me know if you want to see that video, and then we'll see how many comments we get, and we'll get that video out quicker. But that's the dilly gaff strategy. So at the moment, this is kind of the two lines, well, sorry, not this, these are the two lines in the sand at the moment. Underside of the gap here at 31,100, and then at 3,800 here to the downside. So I suspect we muck around in this range for some time this morning. I don't think there's anything that's going to happen this morning. There's a lot that may transpire when the US opens up. So remember, this is the one time where we need to pay attention to the news, and it's not something that I often do. So at the moment, we have so much coronavirus noise right now around the globe. People are waiting for the first signal that everything is going to be getting back to normal in the future. Remember, markets are forward looking, so as soon as they see that, they're going to start rallying. Then you've got the stimulus checks, and then you've got the political song and dances happening at the moment. So as soon as the spotlight comes off the politicians, and we can start looking at fundamentals and look at the economy itself, we're going to see a different picture at the moment. So right now, I think the volatility is probably going to continue a little bit. Draw in that channel, pay attention to that channel, because if you get back below the channel and then you reject it, that's going to set up opportunities for shorts, which are going to move to the bottom of the channel at least. And if the bottom of the channel breaks, then there's an even bigger target to the downside. So that's kind of my view at the moment. We are sideways. You can see above and below the moving average at the moment. You're probably going to be better off going to the 15-minute chart here and watching what happens on the 15-minute chart. But right now it's Asian session. This is just complete chaos. I would expect, to be honest, I would expect that break to the upside, and then what that would do is going to give us a measured move to the upside. either a new high at 13,300 or a test of the previous high at 31,259. And this one is 31,300 and this is 31,259. Hey, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Probably going to consolidate, I think, for most of the European session, unless something happens in Europe that I'm unaware of, but there's nothing that's really standing out. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Draw that channel in, guys. We can't ignore that channel for pretty much for most of the week now. Okay. Anyway, that's it for me at the moment. Hope it helps, and don't forget to like. Drop us a comment if you want me to speed up that trading video, my trading strategies. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. We do this every morning. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.